Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, we're gonna be talking about the new Musical.ly update. And if you guys don't know, Musical.ly updated their app for iOS today, and for my Android peeps out here, I think you guys got the update a few weeks before us, so like, you know, you guys got the sneak peek or something like that. But today I went to my Musical.ly app and I just randomly saw that it just changed. Like, oh my goodness, what happened right now? But anyways, a lot of you guys are commenting on my Musical.ly saying that you like the update or you don't like it or something like that, you know, like mixed emotions right now. But today I'm gonna be looking at the update and we're gonna see together what's new to the app, and like we're gonna see how it works now, because apparently everything changed. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know down in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. And now let's get started. So right now let's go to the Musical.ly app and let's see what changed in the app. So let's open up the app. So when I open the app, the first thing that I notice is that the fonts and everything changed. It's like wow right now, and like when I pause the video, I could see the play button right there, and if I play it, it's like wow, playing right now. And let's see my profile, like hello, what this? Oh my goodness, what just changed? So I could see that my badge changed into like a vlogger badge, and it says transition yourself, like hello, me too. And also you could see videos here and it says likes, like oh my goodness, so many likes. I keep liking you guys' videos, like hello. When I tried to click on the hearts right here, if you guys remember, you could see how many emoji loves that you have, but I guess now it doesn't have it anymore. Like oh no, where the emoji love at though? But yeah, when you click on the hearts, it shows the amount of hearts that you have in your Musical.ly. It's like hello, so many right now. The privates, I noticed that it's called drafts now, like hello, let's click on drafts right now. Okay, so like the privates now looks like this. So how am I gonna view my privates then? Can I like slide? Oh, I guess I have to like click back to go to my privates again. Oh, I missed the old one. I remember like the old one, you could just like slide down and see your privates like that, but this one you have to like click on your private like that, and then if you want to go back, you have to like go click back and then quit. That is a lot of clicking, you know, too much exercise right now. Some of you guys were also commenting in my YouTube videos that you guys cannot save the audios anymore, and let's see if I could save an audio. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, there's no option to save it into your camera roll, which is weird. Okay, let me try clicking next. And it takes me to this one, and to the people who are trying to save their audios, I guess what you could do is that you could click on who can view my video and click on private. And you also click on the download option next to the Facebook icon thingamajig at the bottom, which is this one. And let's try clicking on posts. So it says that my video is already posted, but it is in private. So right now, let's check our camera roll and see if it actually saved our Musical.ly. And yes, it is right over here. So I guess that is like the new way of saving your privates. So if you guys don't know how to save your privates, that's basically how you could save your privates. Okay, another thing that you guys were talking about in the comments in my Musical.ly is that you guys said that the camera looked different. So I guess we should go ahead and try filming a Musical.ly and see if anything changed. So I finally found a song that I want to use, so let's try filming a Musical.ly with this audio. And the audio sounds like this. Oh wait, I can't click on the scissors thingy. How can I listen to it? Hello? Oh, so I guess the new way of listening to your audios while you're filming a Musical.ly is by clicking on the time option right here. And also I could see here that everything changed. Like I have a filter on me. What? You can add filters now into your Musical.lys, like what this right now? Let me pick a... Oh, I like this one, you know, I look smooth or something. So guys, if you want to look smooth on your Musical.lys, use F3. Like, wow, I like my skin. Okay, let's see. Okay, the camera did actually change. Like, what is happening? But I'm guessing like the frame rate of the video, aka how many frames there is in 1 second changed. I guess like it went up. So yeah, that is the Musical.ly that I made. And what do you guys think? Because I think it is like okay. But let me know in the comments what you think of that Musical.ly. Because if you like it, then I might post it like hello. So what else is new? Let's see. So let's just go to the search option. Oh! It actually changed. So basically the search option, it looks like this now. It used to be like, you know, with the hashtag thingy-majiggy, and now there's a hashtag. And also they show a little bit of Musical.lys that it is in that hashtag, which is amazing because you kind of get an idea of what's in that hashtag, if that makes sense. So when you click on the hashtag, it looks like this now, and also it doesn't have like the popular option now and like the trending option, if you guys remember that. They basically took it out. And let's see my notifications and refresh. So my notifications actually changed as well. As you can see here, it says watch when you see someone's that's live. Also, I could see that my notifications like actually changed. It says Kinsey, Michelle, and others like your video. Like, ooh, they be summarizing right now. It's like essay. So I've also heard that a lot of people got crowned. Like if you have a badge, like any badge that you have, if you have one, you're already crowned. So let me check out one of you guys' comments and see if any of you guys got crowned. Oh, it says that at Brandon Stone that I got a crown. Ooh, crown right now. Let's check it out. Whoa. This person got a crown right now. Like that is amazing. Like congrats to the people. Guys, if you have a badge and you got crowned, then that is amazing. I think this is like my favorite part so far of the update is that like if you have a badge and you don't have a crown before, well now you have a crown because you really deserve it. So what else just changed? And also, I just noticed that the comments as well changed. Can I promote someone's comments? No, I cannot. It seems like I cannot promote people's comments anymore, which is real sad because I really like that one. Because usually when you guys comment something nice in my Musical.lys, I'm just like, oh, let me promote right now. Oh, and also what I noticed is that if you got featured before and Musical.ly took it out, well, if you update your app, you can see that you are featured again, which is amazing. So this is like one of my features before that they took it out, but now when I look at it, it is back on the screen, like real nice right now. Like thanks Musical.ly, so nice. Oh, let's try going to someone's live and see what changed into the lively. Okay, so this one changed. Ooh, actually like Lively changed a lot. Like they took out the number for the emoji love, which is real sad because I really like that one. So I guess you could send emojis here, I think. Let's try sending a peace sign. Oh wait. Actually, I don't know what that does because I thought it's gonna be sent into the chat, but I guess not. But it just sends me like this emojis floating around. I think that's like the new emoji love, I think. But wait, let's check out the gifts. So for the gifts, there's Panda, Italian Hand, Love Bang, Sun Cream, Rainbow Puke, Concert. That is new. And then I'm Very Rich and Drama Queen. Let's send a Drama Queen right now. Oops, insufficient balance. Thanks for letting me know. So I guess that's what changed into the livelies. I think we pretty much saw everything that changed here so far. Oh wait, we still didn't try the plus sign. Let's see the plus sign. It actually changed. Like on the top right, it shows you an option to go live. Like, whoa, something new right now. And it says trending, featured comedy, hear it first. Yeah, all of those things are new. Like if you guys remember, when you click on the plus sign, it just takes you to the camera and you could start filming whatever you want. And for this one, it gives you a lot of options to do, which is like all songs right here, and it says enter Musical.ly Gaga dance. Like all Gaga right now. Lady Gaga, how about yes to that? Whoa! So for this option, it seems like you could do a dance. So let's try right now. Let's try to get ugly. Unstable internet connection. Wow, it doesn't let me play the thing. If you guys have the TikTok app, it pretty much reminds me of the same exact thing because I think TikTok has the same exact thing for the Gaga dance. Let's check out TikTok and let's go to the plus sign. Whoa, it says enter TikTok Gaga dance. Guys, the menu here looks exactly the same as Musical.ly, but this one is just dark. And for Musical.ly, they just have the live option, which is amazing. Since Musical.ly's Gaga dance doesn't work, how about we try it into the TikTok Gaga dance? How about that? But I'm hoping that Musical.ly's Gaga dance work real soon because I want to try and like show it to everyone on there, like, you know, we be dancing or something. So let's try to pick a song right now. And they pretty much have the same exact song as what we have in Musical.ly. I don't even know what's gonna happen. I've never tried this Gaga dance thingy-majiggy before, but let's try it together so by the time that it works in Musical.ly, we could do one as well. Wow! Wait, what? Wow! Oh my goodness. Okay, what is that? Like, I don't even know anymore. Well, my score is 180,000. Beat that, my peeps. So I'm guessing if the Musical.ly ones work, I think it's gonna look something like this because it is the same exact thing as TikTok. So that is pretty much it for the Gaga dance and Musical.ly. So let's just exit for now because it doesn't work. And let's see the songs that they suggest here.
Looking so fancy, I got that salted chip on my shoulder.
Oh my god, this song is so weird. Okay, so that's pretty much what we have here, and it seems like you could save your audios here that you like. It says here my favorites, and currently I don't have one, and those are the new features for the plus sign in the Musical.ly app. And I think we pretty much went through every single thing. I don't know what else has changed, but if you guys know anything else that has changed, then let me know that in the comments because I'll try to find out what else changed. So from everything that we have seen so far, what do you guys think? Are you gonna update your app or no? Or did you already update? And if you did update already, let me know that in the comments. What do you think of the update? Because for me, it's like I like it, but at the same time, I'm just like, oh no, I missed the old one. So yeah, I'm like having mixed emotions, but that is okay because I'm pretty sure we could handle it and we were gonna survive like, you know, Animal Planet. But anyways, that is it for this video, and so I hope you guys find this video really informative. Like, real nice word right there, English real good. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to thumbs up this video because it really means a lot to me when you guys thumbs up my videos. Like, hello, super nice of you right now. And also, if you guys have any suggestions on what video I should do next, like a tutorial or whatever you like, then let me know down in the comments as well because I might do it and you never know. If you have a Musical.ly and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.